Your carpet cleaner is basically useless if you're not using it right. I learned this the hard way after ruining a $300 rug because I thought more soap meant cleaner carpets. The Bissell little green machine seems simple, but there's a specific technique that separates amateur cleaning from professional results. First mistake everyone makes is filling the tank with hot water. Use warm water instead. Hot water can set stains permanently and damage carpet fibers. Fill the clean water tank with warm water and add exactly 1 capful of Bissell cleaning solution. More soap creates residue that attracts dirt faster. Here's the game changer technique. Before you even turn it on, vacuum the area thoroughly. Then spray the cleaning solution and let it sit for 2 minutes. This pre-treatment breaks down the stain at a molecular level. When you start cleaning, work in small sections. Press the trigger to spray while pulling the machine toward you slowly. The key is the pullback motion. You're not pushing dirt deeper, you're extracting it. Make 2 passes, first with solution, second without spraying to extract remaining moisture. The biggest secret is the drying process. After cleaning, place a fan on the area and keep foot traffic off for at least 4 hours. Wet carpets are magnets for dirt, and walking on them before they're completely dry ruins all your work. I've cleaned everything from red wine to pet accidents with this method. My neighbor paid $200 for professional carpet cleaning, and I got better results using this exact technique. The machine costs $80 and will save you hundreds in professional cleaning fees. Your carpets will look brand new and stay cleaner longer because you're removing soap residue instead of adding to it. Your carpet cleaner is basically useless